What's up guys? This is Adonis Everyday Life. Welcome to my channel and let's do some mukbang today. So it's raining here in the Philippines, so let's do some mukbang. We have chicken lechon. This is so yummy guys. This is normal in the Philippines. Have some rice. And also we have here fish. This is bangus. So we have here suka. It's vinegar. Vinegar on a plastic. This is normal sauce in the Philippines, guys. Alright, let's do it. So if new here in my channel guys, please like and subscribe. That's what I want. And I'm gonna tour you guys here in the Philippines. Let's do some trip, do some mukbang. So we have here pancit. We have pork lechon. So strong flavor. My God.